So you have ADHD and all the business strategies out there that you tried just never worked for you. So this is what you want to do instead. By the way, my name is Lola and I have all of the ADHD and I'm also an ADHD business coach for the Neurospicy. So this is all content that I normally go very much in depth with my course, The Weirdo Academy, but I'm going to try to do as much as I can in 3 minutes. Let's get it. So firstly, we have to understand that strategies are just a way to handle a certain problem. So whenever you have a strategy like, email marketing, you have to send emails, you have to have an emailing list and all that. This is a strategy. What I want you to ask, because the strategy is always going to be evolving, always going to be changing, regardless to the social media platform that you want to use or the goal that you want to achieve, strategies are going to be able to evolve. But at the end of the day, the problem, what's at the core of all of this is not going to change. So for example, people saying or teaching out there like, you have to post every day on social media, you have to post, be there all the time, 24/7. And you're like, okay, cool. And you try this and it just doesn't work for you. It's just because the strategy, this particular one, is not for you. But the problem is still going to be the same that you want to fix. So what I do and what I teach and what I encourage you to do is ask yourself, what's the problem I'm trying to solve right now? So for the strategies of posting every single day on social media, what's the problem you're trying to solve? And the problem you're trying to solve is getting more eyeballs on your business, right? It's getting more eyeballs on your offers. So this is why posting every single day is going to force you to put yourself out there to talk about your offers, to talk about your program, and to put just visibility. It's just visibility. So ask yourself, is there another way for me to gain more visibility? And try to reverse engineer. Okay, if I'm posting every day on social media is not I can't hold up with that. Is there another version for it for me? And this is the thing that I repeat my clients all the time. I don't care anyone promise it's going to be the magic trick 1-2 step and it's going to be perfect. You're going to have all the results you've ever wanted. If something is not sustainable throughout time. What I mean by that is like, if you can do it, but it's difficult for like a week or two, but then you're just drained, you're down, like you can't fucking do it anymore. It's not a good strategy for you because you can't sustain it throughout time. Maybe when you have a team, maybe when you have other people to help you out, but for right now, it is not a strategy for you. And it's not about the strategy is bad or you're not good enough. That's not the fact. It's just this strategy was not made for you. But there are other strategies out there that are made for you. And this is why it's so important to take into consideration your brain. You have ADHD. Your brain works differently. Period. That's just how it is. So you have to take that into consideration when analyzing which strategy to use for your business. And this is why I do what I do every single day and help people like you. Let me know if that makes sense. And to get more of this all the time, every week, to have access to me, my course, The Weirdo Academy, which is the business course for ADHD people, is launching like this week. Go check it out. Is where all the information's always at. So I'll see you there.